So I've come out here to my other bee yard, and I'm still feeding 2 to 1 right now. And then probably around the 1st of December or so, here in Texas, it's okay for me right now. It's still not too bad. It's still getting in the 70s, sometimes the 80s during the day. And I guess I didn't even have a feeder on this one here, but I'm gonna be putting a high top feeder in, and I'm topping them all off with sugar water. And then I'm gonna be I treated them last week for mites. I'm gonna treat them again this week, and 2 more weeks in a row. I've been treating once a week, so I'm gonna do that 4 times to break the to get through all the way through the brood cycle right here before going up into winter. So hang on 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, I just put this feeder on not even 10 seconds ago, and look at how much moisture is already building up in this thing. That's why ventilation is very important on these hives. This is just a 5-frame nuke, and they will build up moisture for sure. So I just wanted to show that. I'm sure you can see it there. It's building up fast. They have a vent hole here, a vent hole here, in the front, the back, and then the whole bottom. The whole bottom is screen bottom board. So this is what I use, a rapid feeder is what they call it. And they work well. Here in a few weeks, I'll be putting dry sugar in these, taking the cup off, and putting the lid back on it. And this thing will absorb water, and it will make its own sugar cake in here by absorbing the moisture in the hive. So it'll have dual purposes. All right, give me 1 second. It didn't take them very long to find it at all. They come right up. So, and I also have essential oils mixed in here. I use tea tree oil, spearmint, and wintergreen essential oil mixed up. I blend it up in a blender with a few cups of water first for about 5 minutes, and then put it in a pickle jar, put some distilled water in it, and that's a really high concentrate mixture. And I'll mix that 1 pickle jar full of essential oils in with 2 5-gallon buckets of sugar water. So give me 1 second. Let me put the top on this, and I need to switch to the next one. Locking in on my bucket here. They're following me around. So I need to do the same down the row. Let me see if I can show this without irritating them any. A lot of bees right there, so Okay, so now what I'm doing is filling up the pollen feeders here. Set up. I run string bottom boards year round, so I don't put the wand ever inside my hive. I have burnt my frames that way, but I have a 5-gallon bucket. Got my respirator there, my battery, my wand, and my oxalic acid there. So I'm gonna give it a second to warm up here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I do is for a single stack nuke, I use 1/3 of a teaspoon of oxalic acid. If it's a double stack, I use 2. No, it's a quarter. I got a quarter of a teaspoon. So I use a quarter of a teaspoon here for this single stack. Spread it out a little bit. The hive feels a little heavy, so that's good.